just in case, because they come back and forth so quickly. There above the light fixture is a bird's nest. And the birds have been building the nest for weeks. They build and they rebuild and they keep building, and then there was a fight because one of the birds, another bird, I call him a loudmouth because that's what he is, tried to take over the nest. And I woke up and heard them fighting and broke it up and got rid. Shh, I have to be quiet. Otherwise they won't come. Or maybe they will. We are dealing with some very interesting creatures in nature. We're spying on them. But you see, they like it here. So they come often. And they build their nests around the house all the time. Well, mostly in spring. And Dr. Q in the game, his whole family, they plant their little eggs in the yucca plants. And then, of course, we have a couple of turkey vultures that scan over the lands to get the squirrels. So we have a lot to look forward to in the pond or around